Another reason that we're often tight through this area in our back is we spend a lot of time in forward flexion. So these muscles that run up and down our spine, they're called paraspinal muscles. They're also known as erector spinae. They're supposed to hold your spine erect. We tend to spend a lot of time here with that forward rounding through this area, just putting a lot more strain and a lot more weight on those spinal muscles. When we constantly stress these muscles, that area will tend to tighten up. We will lose our mobility through our thoracic spine. So looking at the spine, give you a close zoom up if I can. Thoracic spine is from here to here. If you look at those joints, they're all at this angle. The thoracic spine meant to flex, extend, twist one way, twist the other, bend this way, bend that way. We're supposed to be nice and mobile through this area. If we compare that to the lumbar spine, if you look right in here, those joints are set more straight forward and back. We're supposed to have some forward bending in our lumbar, but we don't get a lot of twist through our lumbar spine. What happens when we're locked up in this area through our thoracics and we can't do that twisting motion through our thoracic spine, more of that twisting motion goes into our lumbar spine. So for snow shoveling, we should be kind of bracing with our core, this area here, and moving with this area there. When we lose the movement in our thoracic spine, we're putting extra strain into our lumbar spine. That's how we get disc herniations, which happen way too often in the winter with shoveling.